Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Garnier BB cream. First of all, I would like to say that I bought it in the BB festive offer where I got like a Garnier Pure Active Pore Unclogging Face Wash worth ₹79 for free, and this like individually costs I think $199. Let me just check it for you. Yeah, it costs $199 and I got stuff worth $79 for free. So yes, you would like to take that into consideration while I'm reviewing this. I think this offer is still available. If it is, I would really urge you guys to grab it because this is an awesome product. Well, yay for spoilers for the review. So anywho, well, it's been raining crazily today. It's Valentine's Day when I'm recording this, and it's been raining crazily. So if you can hear like pitter patter in the background, I would like to apologize, but I can't do anything about it. So yes, let's start with the review for this BB cream. And before starting the review, I would like to throw in the demo here. Because of the texture of this BB cream, you need a brush that is very dense in nature and it's not sparse. So I'm going to be using buffing brush by Real Techniques to buff this into my face and to show you the demo, which is basically again going to be starting from the center of the face and moving outwards because that's the best way to apply foundation. And before that, I'm going to take it at the back, on the back of my palm. Like the back of palm is the back of hand, in a circular kind of formation, so that whenever I dip my brush, it gets like spread out evenly onto the brush and doesn't like concentrate in one spot. So I'm just going to take it and I'm going to start working it into my face, like buff it in circular motions into my skin. So you see, it's really easy to apply this BB cream. The texture is really smooth and soft and it just blends into your skin. It comes in just one shade. Maybelline one comes in like 3 shades. Pond's comes in 1 shade, and even this comes in 1 shade. What it promises is fairer looking skin, healthy glow, lines and imperfections reduced, even skin tone, 8-hour moisturization. Well, I would like to say a few things about this. The only thing that I think that it doesn't live up to is like actual, like covering up spots, because other than that, the texture is really nice. First of all, I'll show you the packaging. Oh, I'm not going in order like at all. This is how it looks from inside. It comes in this tube, like it's I like the Pond's packaging the best, like Pond's BB cream packaging the best, because of the fact that it's so sleek and travel okay, let's just take a pause here. Travel friendly. So it's really travel friendly, the Pond's one, but this one is also okayish, like it's okayish. This is the 40-gram tube, which is like the big tube. You can get smaller tubes as well. And I think that the only thing that this doesn't live up to is the coverage that it's supposed to give. Like it has it's like a tinted moisturizer, but it just does make your skin really soft. It protects your skin because it has SPF in it as well. It has SPF, how much? SPF 24, and I think this texture wise this is almost equal to what the Pond's one is. Like they are like same, but Pond's one gives more coverage as well. So texture wise, like it's almost the same. I'll show you swatch. What am I saying? I'll show you a swatch on the back of my palm. Like you see, it looks like that, and once you have to blend it in, like I'll have to apply it all over my hand and arm. It has slight fragrance although, but not that irritating at all. So you see, there it goes. But when you see in the demo, like there are some spots here that I do have, and it doesn't cover them up like really well. But otherwise, I feel that texture wise it's really light on the skin and get absorbed into skin really quickly, which is, if I don't like the texture of something, even if it like hides everything, I won't like it, because if your skin doesn't feel comfortable, it would show on your face, and you would not like how it goes down. So you know, texture wise this is a really nice product, but I would recommend the Pond's BB cream over this one because of the fact that, you know, like I have tried whole range of BB creams and the best one that I found was to be Pond's BB cream. So you know, if you are going for this, you might as well go for that because it's for 125, but I think it's 18 grams and this is 40 grams, so quantity wise this wins over like anything. But yes, this was overall an okay product for me, like, you know, because I've already tried Pond's BB cream. If I hadn't, maybe I would have loved this one, but Pond's one wins over it. So it's a good product. If you want to get your hands onto it, then this festive offer is really, really nice because you get face wash free as well. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.